Okay. All right. The court is going to modify conditions of bond to no harmful, to probation, to no harmful or injurious contact. And the court is calling 2023 CR 8805, State versus Kimberly Dixon. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Representing for the state of Texas.
Renee Munoz on behalf of Ms. Dixon.
All right. And you're Ms. Dixon?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And so defense, you presented the court with a motion to modify conditions of community supervision to no harmful or injurious contact. And the parties who are subject to the no contact order is Ms. Stell and Miles Rich. Is that correct?
And that's correct, Judge. And Miles Rich is a child under the age of 14, and Ms. Stell currently has power of attorney over him.
All right. Could you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right. You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
My name is Rayen Stell.
All right. How do you know Ms. Dixon?
She's my mother.
All right. Any objection to the court? I'm sorry, asking questions?
No objection from the witness.
All right. With regards to this incident that we're here for, I see that she was placed in DDRF, which tells me there may have been some mental health issues. All right. So can you tell the court what assurances you can give me that if the condition were lifted to include no harmful or injurious contact, is the plan for her to live with you or not?
No.
Okay, so she won't be living with you. Are there any plans for her ever to live with you again?
No.
Okay. Now, Miles Rich, how old is he?
He's 7. He just turned 7 on the 12th.
All right. And does he wish to have contact with your mother?
He has autism, so he hasn't verbally said that he wants to see his mom, but I think it benefits him in the long run to know who she is.
All right. And if she has contact with him, how can you assure the court that that will be supervised in some way?
Because he will not leave my side. He's in my custody, and I plan to keep him in my custody.
All right. And with regards to this incident that she's on probation for, how did that come about? Was he not in your sight? Was she babysitting? What happened?
I was living with my now husband, and she was doing her own thing, and I had stopped visiting for a little bit because I was working almost full time to make do and everything like that. And then I got a call saying that there was a disturbance from the cops to come pick up Miles.
All right. And so how did she come to have Miles in her care though?
That's her son. She's always had him in her custody up until this point.
Ah, so Miles is her
Son.
biological son. And so now Miles is with you, and
Yes.
Miles is your brother.
Yes, my half brother.
Okay. All righty. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Yes. So, and you are Ms. Dixon?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Kimberly Dixon.
All right, so what's your diagnosis?
It is bipolar type 1.
All right, and are you on any type of medications?
Yes, ma'am.
What medications are you
I
on?
am on Wellbutrin, Seroquel, as well as Propafenol
All right, and how often do you have to take those medications?
every day.
All right, and what's the time schedule for taking those medications?
Morning is the Wellbutrin, that is going to be 400 milligrams. The Petrol as well, 10 milligram. And then at night I have the 200 milligrams of Seroquel, as well as the 10 milligrams of the propanol is what it's called, propanol, sorry.
Okay.
Yes.
And I'm sure later court reporter is going to ask you to spell it. I can just ask the
Yeah.
questions. I don't have to worry about spelling
ma'am.
it. And do you know your doctor?
Yes.
Who's your doctor?
I can't pronounce her name. She's with the Center for Healthcare on Palo Alto.
Oh, you don't need to pronounce it. So how often
Yeah.
do you see her?
I see her, last month, I saw her last month. So it's just really depending on, how the month goes. We usually 8 weeks.
All right. And do you have a case manager?
Yes, her name is, Delia, sorry.
Oh, you don't have to.
Okay.
Take name.
Yeah, I'm with the Center for Healthcare on Palo Alto
And how often do you see your case manager?
once a month. And then we do, sometimes, I guess it's telehealth.
Okay.
So it's usually like once a month, maybe try.
All right. And do you live by yourself or with someone?
I live in a sober living house, Oxford House. I've been there since I got out of DDRF.
Oh, and so how long have you been at Oxford House?
Since August 14th
Oh,
of 2024.
all right.
And she works full-time, Judge.
Oh, you work full-time?
Yes, ma'am, I work at Macy's.
Oh,
on
that's
Star Mall.
awesome.
Mhm.
I'm the vendor for Levi's, men's Levi's.
Well, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you've gotten the help that you needed. I know sometimes waiting for DDRF, that's the longest wait in
Yes,
history.
ma'am, it was.
But I'm glad you're doing that. I'm glad you're at a sober living house. The key is you're going to have to stay vigilant and not miss any of your medications. If you feel like there's something off with your medications, just let your case manager know, your doctor know. Just don't stop taking it cold turkey, okay?
Absolutely, yes, ma'am.
All right. So are there any oral motions?
Along with the motion to modify, Judge, at this time, the defense makes an oral motion to terminate community supervision based upon substantial performance of the conditions of said community supervision.
And when does she expire?
November. November 13th, Judge.
All right, stating you're opposed to early term. Okay. All right, the court is going to modify conditions of bond to no harm for, I'm sorry, to probation, to no harm for injurious contact, and the court is terminating probation. And that will be terminated successfully.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Congratulations.
Come on, probation. Oh, thank you, Judge.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
All
You
right,
have a beautiful day.
you too.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
Thank you.